Bonjour everybody! Welcome back to Easy Cheesy. I'm Joey, he's Remy, and we're ready to show you the cheesiest recipes online. We're so glad to see you back here in the show. For today, we are following our Disney line, so we have a Disney-inspired recipe for you guys. And it's a very, very delicious and special recipe because it's amazing and it's something a little bit unusual, so I think you're gonna like it. Today's recipe is goat cheese salad with arugula, and this is inspired by the Hunchback of Notre Dame's Esmeralda's goat Djali. Yeah, say hi Djali. There you go. Esmeralda has the cutest goat ever, which is Djali. She's smart, she's amazing. I mean, who doesn't love Djali? Sidekicks for the win. This recipe obviously has goat cheese and it's amazing. It has like a tangy, bittersweet, I don't even know how to describe it, taste. It's amazing. You guys have to try it. So let us know in the comments if you feel intrigued by this recipe and if you will be making it at home. So without further ado, let's begin.
Let's add a final touch.
And voila everybody, you got yourself a delicious, nutritious, cheesy salad. This is amazing, and you know what? I think goat cheese is a very underrated ingredient and it should be used in more preparations. I mean, go goat cheese, come on. Everybody should be using that and eating it. I know so many people that haven't even tried goat cheese and it's delicious. I mean, Djali, come here, come smell this. Oh, it smells nice, doesn't it? Oh, you like it. Yay. I mean, Djali approved, come on. You know what? This is how we would say it in France. C'est très appétissant. This is also Remy approved. This is very French, very provincial, traditional, with green leaves, and it's amazing. You guys just simply have to try it and you'll see for yourselves.
You can also try adding berries, mango, pineapple, etc.
So guys, if you liked this recipe, you want to eat it, you want to make it, make sure to give us a big thumbs up down below. Subscribe to our channel and click on the notifications bell over there. Don't forget. You can follow us on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. We post the most amazing pictures and videos. You're going to be desiring food all day long. I am not sorry about that. So thank you so much for joining us again. I'll see you in the next episode, and bon appetit. Bye-bye.
Hi there, good to see you back.
Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and follow Easy Cheesy.
The cheesiest teamed recipes ever.